Hi, my name is Vivian and I work for Động Lực Group, a company of more than 35 years producing soccer ball, volleyball, and basketball. The MOQ for soccer balls is 500 pieces. With just 500 pieces, you can have a customized ball with your brand and the colorways that you choose. So Động Lực is the first Vietnam-owned brand to have a FIFA-certified soccer ball. And we've been continued to be one of a FIFA-certified football producer for more than 20 plus years. We also produce apparels and the MOQ is 100 set per style. So you can send us your tech pack or physical samples. If we can make it, we'll put you a price. Please contact us through our website at donclubshop.vn. My name is Vivian. I'm from Động Lực GSC and I look forward to talking to you more about sport manufacturing in Vietnam.
Hi, my name is Chris Walker, Vietnam sourcing expert with 15 years of experience based here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My mission is to introduce Vietnamese factories to the world. Hire me for Vietnam factory tours. I recommend Động Lực Sportswear Factory.